Hi, this is Keith Herrington. I was called this morning to see if I could come over and look at a dryer. It's a hot point dryer, and the problem that they're having is the dryer won't heat, won't dry any of the clothes. So I'm over here now, and I'm going to get into this and see if we can figure out what's wrong. And first thing we're going to do to troubleshoot is to remove the front and top cover so we can get to all the components on the inside. Okay, you must remove the two Phillips screws on the front to remove the top cover and two 1/4 inch in the back to remove the control panel. Right here and here. The control panel got a 1/4 inch here and one on the opposite side. You also have, once you remove the control cover, you got to remove these two screws here. There's one here and one here. Next thing you'll do is remove these two screws, another more 1/4 inch screws, one on each side. Okay, the front cover will just pull straight back. Then it's going to be down on the bottom. You got little tabs. You just lift it from the tabs on the bottom. Okay, your dryer heat element on hot point is up front. Okay, and as you can see right there, directly in the middle of the screen, is the thermal switch. We're going to go ahead and ohm that out and see if that's open or closed. Okay, with the thermal switch removed, and I've ohmed out the switch, which I'm going to show you right here. You should have continuity on both of these. You do on that one. On the inside, this is your actual temperature one. This is an override. There's no continuity, so this switch is open, so we're going to have to replace this switch. At least 80% of the time, this is usually the culprit. These switches are in for safety, and sometimes they'll get too hot or they become defective. They will open, disconnecting the circuit to the heat element. Okay, we got the thermal switch back in. Now we're going to go reinstall the front panel and the top cover and do a test run, see what we got. And we plugged the dryer in, put it all back together and turned it on, and we do have heat. So the thermal switch was definitely the problem. We're in business. Hope that helped.